Lots of my friends ask me, does it get hot in Cambodia? Yes, it gets really hot. How hot does it get? Stupid hot. So I have this idea of a way that I can survive hot season moving forward. And I'm pretty sure it's gonna work. I think it'll be awesome. Okay, so it's my plan to get that thing home on this moto. I have a few ideas of how to do it. I'm gonna need to pick up a few things to make it happen, but it's so hot right now, I think I'm gonna have to go get a coffee first. I don't really like cold coffee, but there's a place close to here, has the best cold coconut coffee in all of Cambodia. So let's go there first, get set up with a few things, and we'll come back and we'll make this happen. Some from side coconut cafe mới. Bao lối elo có bán. Okay. After có bán. Okay. Pro how bel gran. Cà phê gran có bán. Con chran. Mong tên. Con. Oh man, that's like my favorite coffee. I'm not a huge fan of iced coffee drinks, but this is the best one in Cambodia. I wish I knew how to make this because I would make it every day. This puts a Tim Hortons ice cap to shame. At this time of year, it starts around 35 degrees and just starts getting hotter and hotter. Sometimes it gets up to 40, 45 degrees Celsius. It becomes just unbearable. Everywhere you look, there's just heat waves flying around on the ground. It's just nasty. I'll come to that, I'm survive, but here. I'll come to that one. I'll go and rip John. Oh, but some survive. I think this is gonna take a while. Excellent. Oh, my phone. Shoot. Always a disaster. Yes. It's enjoyable. Can't believe how cold it is. That is really good. So this was obviously worth it and a very good idea. between the cold water and this coconut. This is a lifesaver. Now I can just sit back, relax, and enjoy the sound of jackhammers and all kinds of construction noise building an apartment next door. In Cambodia, you gotta take the good with the bad. But in this extreme hot heat, this is where it's at.